Physics students, assuming you are in exam hall and you come across this type of question, what will you do? Just watch and see how to solve this type of question. It is a simple question.
Let's take the question first. The question says, an electric kettle with negligible heat capacity is rated at 200 watts. If 2.09 kilogram of water is put in it, how long will it take the temperature of water to rise from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius? This is a very simple question on heat. Okay, let me show you how you solve it on the exam day. Always stay students, if you come across any word problem, please endeavor to first of all write out your data so that you will see it at a glance and then know the formula to apply in solving the question. So write out data which is the information given in the question. The first data, that is the first information
Given to us
in this problem, is 200
watts.
They told us that the heat capacity of the kettle is 200
watts.
So I write power, which is measured in wattage, is 200 wattage. Okay. Any other information? Yes, they told us that the mass of water is 2.09 kilogram. Okay. So I write mass, which is M, represented by M, is what? It is 2.09 kilograms. So I write 2.09 kilogram. Any other information? Yes, they told us that the temperature of water rises from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So I write temperature, which is represented by theta, is 100 minus 20. Yes, T2 minus T1, which will give us what? Which will give us 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, is there another data? Yes, they gave us the specific heat capacity of water. Let me put it in bracket. Specific heat capacity of water as 4200. Oh, so we write specific heat capacity of what? Of water is 4200. Okay, having written out data now, what next? We go forward to solve. Let's solve it this side. What formula did I use? What is happening here is that somebody is boiling water with electric kettle. So what is happening here is that electric energy is being converted to heat energy.
Oh,
They say we should find the time.
the time duration of the boiling.
Time. Okay, I don't write it. Time, which is represented by T, is, did they give us? No, they say we should find it. We are solving to get our time. They say how long means time. Okay, now what formula will I use? What is happening here is simply that somebody is boiling water with electric kettle, which means that electric energy is being converted to heat energy. So I use this formula
To state the action.
I use WT, which stands for electric energy, is equals to MC theta, which stands for heat energy. Yes.
Don't forget that you have different formulas for electric energy. Yes, the formula you choose depends on the quantity, the parameter given to you. I choose WT, which is power and time, because we are giving power, which is 200 watts, and also asked to find time, which is represented by T.
Okay, our W, according to the data, which is power, is equals to 200. All right, 200. Just times here, times T. Doing our T, no, we are solving to obtain T. So I still write there, T is equals to, I put it this equals to M, which is mass, is what? Our mass is 2.09. So I write 2.09 times our specific capacity of water given to us is 4200. So I write times. So I write times 4200. 4200. What again? Theta. Our temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. Temperature 80 degrees Celsius. So I write times 80. Okay, I continue. I say 200 times T will simply give me 200 T. I write it down. 200 T. Put this equals to here. I say 2.09 times 4200 times 80 will give us what? It will give us 70240. Okay, now I want to make this T the subject formula because we are solving to get the T. So I will now say T is equals to 7, this number 702240 divided by 200 because that is number with a T. So divided by 200, which will give us finally it will give us equals to what? 351.2. No, 0.12. Yes, 351.12. Answer. Yes, so our time is 351.12. Answer.